Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to delete a group from your WhatsApp account on an Android device. Go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you're on the Chats tab. Tap on the group chat you wish to exit and delete. Tap the subject of the group. This is the name of the group at the top of the chat. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Tap on Exit Group. Tap on Exit again to confirm. Now tap on Delete Group. Select the check box if you want to delete all the media files on your phone from this group chat. Tap on Delete to confirm deletion. As you can see, the group chat has been deleted from your WhatsApp account. This is how you can delete a group from WhatsApp on an Android device.